I was looking for a really great tea party set for my kids, but a lot of them are made with metal or wood, and I wanted something that could actually be used. And so I actually found this one company is actually selling a silicone-based tea set that actually you can use. And let's unbox this. Look how cute this is. Okay, what I liked about this is it actually comes with a little tray, which makes it really fun, especially for, like, I love, when I was a kid, my mom would teach me how to do a tea party. It's a great way to teach your kids to be social and to have manners. So tea parties are just such a fun thing to do, and kids really like doing it. So I wanted to see what this is like. And I love that it's silicone because then I don't have to worry about like metal or wood or toxic chemicals, really. Oh my gosh, it's like so much smaller than I thought it was going to be, and it's actually so cute. It's perfect for little kids. So they have a couple of versions. This one is the bear, and look at that. You can actually put water in there and put that on. I'm guessing you could put this into the dishwasher. And look at these little tiny cups. They have different little animal figures. This one's like a cat. This one's a bear. This one's a fox. And this one's like a little bunny. And then what I also loved is they have these little plates. So you can actually take, your little tea. And they're perfect for little hands. And then it comes with like a little spoon. So then the kids can actually pretend to have a little tea party. So I think you could probably do water, you could probably do lemonade or actual tea if that's what you want. But look at the little tray. It's just like so perfect. I highly recommend this. Check out my Amazon storefront for even more finds. I love sharing all kinds of cooking tools and tips and tricks, as well as some kids items as well. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.